Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Just want to make a quick disclaimer before we go further. If you guys do not own a W-King X10, or if you're not planning to own a W-King X10, if you have a JBL Xtreme or you plan on getting a JBL Xtreme, then this is the video for you. For all you others, you can just leave now, or if you stay, then I greatly appreciate it. So this will probably be one of the shortest videos that I do for this channel, because all we're gonna do is look at an accessory that is actually not made for this, but I think will work with this speaker. And let me explain, since this video is not going to take too long. So Amazon and YouTube, for that matter, when you guys watch, they have an algorithm. So every time you open up the home page, first thing it shows you are like the last things that you might have saw, at least on Amazon, the last things you were looking at. On YouTube, when you open up the home page, it'll give you suggestions on videos you might be interested. The same thing with Amazon. They give you suggestions on things you might be interested in getting. So it gave me this picture, or yeah, it showed me this picture of a speaker handle for the W-King. It's called the Distinguish speaker handle for W-King X10, and the speaker handle is made out of this thing right here, like this parachute bungee cord nylon material. The only thing was on that design is how it attaches to the speakers itself. It doesn't have this. It looks like one of those things that you tie and everything. Anyways, I didn't like how the setup was. So then it piqued my interest. Like, if they make aftermarket or other manufacturers will make accessories for this particular speaker, and being that this particular speaker is meant to compete with the JBL Xtreme, what kind of extra accessories as far as like handles go for these things that I can look for that might fit this? Like, even if they're not made for the W-King X10, if they're made for the JBL Xtreme, it'll probably work with this thing, and that's what I'm hoping for anyways in this video. If not, this will be a big fail. What I liked about the removable strap that was made for the W-King X10 is that it's fairly inexpensive, right? It was like $10.99, and I looked for the ones for the JBL, and here it is right here. So this is the TXEsign, and you can get it on Amazon with Prime shipping for like $10.88. So it's even cheaper than the one that's specifically made for the W-King X10. A couple of cents cheaper. And so here it is. See? And this is all it comes in. Like us on Facebook. It's got QR codes and everything like that. There's even a cheaper one. See, there's the name right there, TXEsign. So there was an even cheaper version of this called the W-King, and it's pretty much if you look at the two pictures or compare the two, they're identical as far as in, measurements, size, whatever, specs. The only reason why, and that one is only, the W-King one is only $9.99. So I'll put all the links in the description if you guys are interested. But the main difference is that the TXEsign one, okay, the W-King only has like 3 colors, red, blue, and black. The TXEsign strap comes in 12 colors. There's army green, there's a black, a blue, bohemia, which is like hippie type look, back in the 70s or something like that. There's camo, you have color stripes, you have the American flag, marble white, navy blue, orange, red, royal blue. So yeah, that's 12. So because of that, I got the TXEsign because I didn't want it just all black. I wanted this one, the army green, or what we call military green. So let's just open this up. So opening it up is pretty simple. You just look at this little flap right here, and it's like taped together, and you break it out. It doesn't even come in with the instructions. It's self-explanatory, right? And so here is the whole strap. Is this strap adjustable? So the reason why I got this strap is because this is nice if you want to use it to carry it on your shoulders and everything like that, right? But carrying it like this is, I don't know, to me, I would have preferred the best of both worlds. Have a handle that like this, that's solid, like on the W-King D9-1, the X10's baby brother or younger brother, or maybe older brother, because it might be an older model. And then have something where you could also put like these straps right here. There's a few speakers that do that. I'm not sure which ones right off the top of my head. But the reason why I got this over the one that was designed for the W-King X10 also is because it just has the simple, the simple, you know, little, you don't have to tie it or anything like that. It's just a simple little, I can't even say the words for it. Just a little hook, right? Whatever this thing is, that locks into place. So let's get this out. And so usually when I have this at home, or you know, in my room, I don't even, and leaving the strap on, it just gets in the way sometimes if you're not really planning on carrying the speaker anywhere. But it's good that, you know, it comes with it. Let's look at this first. So here it is right there. You can see the TXEsign logo. It's got pretty good stitching, right? And so here, see, this is the army green, or should I say military green. And believe it or not, I think these are a lot more easier to open and close and lock into place than W-King's own strap, which is like this. This is way more easier, and it has a nice feel to it, nice springy opening and closing type deal. And it's also swivels like so, so it can adjust. Here's the bottom of the strap. So nothing much to it, right? So let's just put it on. Just open it like so, and look at that. It just closes in just like that. Really simple. And there we go. So should have done it the other way, huh? Just to match. There you go. So that's really simple and very easy. And then right there, it doesn't get in the way that much. You could just put it in like that, and it's much simpler as far as the handle goes to carry it. See, so that's nice. That's really nice. And then shoot, if you wanted to, you don't even really have to take that off, so you don't lose it and misplace it. Just leave it on there, and then if you need the shoulder harness from the W-King, there's actually plenty of room to put on the shoulder harness too, as you can see. So now if you need to strap it onto your shoulder so you'll have your hands free, you can still use the shoulder harness without removing this shorter handle right here. And just as I figured, it's a good look. The green, you know, the black and green contrasted together instead of the all black. And remember, this TXEsign comes in 12 different colors. So you can pretty much find the design or color of your choice. Okay, so, well, that's pretty much it. There's not too much to say. Seems like it's a really good build. It's gonna last you at least a couple years, maybe a few years into the life of your speaker. And remember, most W-King products have a 48-month warranty, which is like, what did we say that was, 4 years? These speakers, even though they're not very well known, have very good build qualities to them. I just love this like nylon grill right here for the speakers. The only thing I didn't like is the IPX rating only being IPX6 instead of IPX7, where it could be submerged in water. That's the TXE design removable strap, and it comes in, like I said, 12 different styles or colors. The one that I have here is called the Army Green, but you also get black, blue, bohemia, camo, color stripes, flag, marble white, navy blue, orange, red, and royal blue. So there should be a color or a style that you guys will like if you own the W-King X10 or the JBL Xtreme. So that is it. I don't think I missed anything, right? That's pretty much it. This is the TXEsign removable strap for your JBL Xtremes and now your W-King X10. Stay tuned, full long-term or full review of the W-King X10 coming soon. If you guys have found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon for another video.